I made baked macaroni and cheese. I will leave a link to the recipe I used down below. But oh my goodness, this is my made in enameled Dutch oven. And look at this. No stick. Come on. Look at that. Just beautiful. Alright. I am totally in love with this made in enameled Dutch oven. If you're looking for a Dutch oven, these made in are perfect. These things are just awesome. What I do is before I go to bake a casserole, is I grab a little bit of butter and put a thin layer of butter in there. And I think that helps also for it not to stick. But I mean, just barely any. You just have to put a little bit on your finger and just wipe it around in there. And it just comes out perfect and so easy to clean. I'll run a little soapy water in there and let it sit for a couple minutes and it'll wipe right out. Alright, here it is. That's how clean it came with just scooping it out. Now we're going to go ahead and put a little hot soapy water in there. I'll fill it up and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Let's see. Well, so that's just wiping right off with my fingers. Check that out. So, yeah, that'll come right out. Definitely an awesome pan. An awesome quality. I'm gonna buy me a brazier next, but Made In I don't think makes them, but that'll be my next purchase. Gotta figure out which brand to get. Alright, I actually didn't have to let it soak. I just put the water in, the soapy water, and there she is. Look at that. Just wipes right out. Definitely love these enamel cast iron. Alright. Good purchase. Thanks for watching. Bye.